The importance of a balanced diet. Ever wondered why a balanced diet is called the cornerstone of good health? This video unravels the mysteries behind it, equipping you with the knowledge to transform your eating habits and enhance your well-being. Let's dive into the world of balanced nutrition together. A balanced diet is more than just counting calories. It's about consuming the right proportions of nutrients that your body needs to function optimally. A mix of proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals forms the essence of a balanced diet, ensuring your body receives comprehensive nutrition. Proteins, the building blocks of life, promote muscle growth and repair tissues. Carbohydrates fuel your energy, powering you through daily activities. Healthy fats support brain function and hormone production. Vitamins and minerals boost your immune system and protect against diseases. Each nutrient plays a pivotal role. Adopting a balanced diet offers numerous health benefits. It can enhance energy levels, allowing you to approach each day with vitality. It boosts your immune system, reducing susceptibility to illnesses, and supports mental health by influencing mood-regulating chemicals in the brain. A balanced diet also plays a vital role in weight management. By providing essential nutrients without excess calories, it helps maintain a healthy weight. Furthermore, it reduces the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and cancer, paving the way for a longer, healthier life. Achieving a balanced diet doesn't have to be complicated. Start by diversifying your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables. Incorporate lean proteins like chicken, fish, or plant-based options such as beans and lentils. Whole grains like brown rice and quinoa should replace refined options. Pay attention to portion sizes to avoid overeating, and choose healthy snacks like nuts or yogurt over processed alternatives. Hydration is vital, so drink plenty of water throughout the day. Lastly, practice mindful eating, savoring each bite, and listening to your body's hunger signals. Only eat until you are 80% full. Adapting to a balanced diet can present challenges. Busy schedules often lead to convenience foods, but quick meals can also be nutritious. Meal planning and prepping can save time and ensure healthy options are always available. Try batch cooking or using kitchen gadgets like slow cookers. If you struggle with selective eating or cravings, gradual changes work best. Introduce one new healthy food at a time, and find delicious recipes that incorporate your favorite ingredients. Remember, achieving balance is a journey, not a race. Be patient and stay committed. Are you ready to make a change for the better? Start by assessing your current diet and identify areas for improvement. Set realistic goals and track your progress, celebrating small victories along the way. You got friends? Share your health progress with them. Your health journey begins now. Embrace the power of a balanced diet to transform your life. Remember, every healthy bite counts. Join me in making mindful choices every day.